In the lounge to the right of the TV is a Nest thermostat. This operates the central heating in the apartment. When you approach it, it will illuminate. As you can see, it's set to 9 degrees at the moment. If you turn this to the right, then the temperature will increase, and then the heating will activate when it gets past the actual atmospheric temperature. So at the moment it's 24 degrees. So if I stick this at 24.5, you can see it's turned orange. The boiler is coming on. This will heat up the apartment to the desired temperature. If you find it is too hot for you, then of course just turn this down to the desired temperature. It is default set to a minimum of 9 degrees, but can be adjusted to your desired temperature. Thank you.